Chapter 1. The Millionaire Mindset. Rewiring Your Brain for Wealth 1.1. Why 2025 is the best time in history to get rich. The biggest lie most people believe is that it's too late. Too late to start. Too late to win. Too late to become wealthy. But the truth is, 2025 might be the best time in human history to become a millionaire. Why? Because of four converging forces. Small blue diamond 1. AI leverage tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, Sora, and other AI systems have turned normal people into creators, coders, marketers, and editors instantly. Want to launch a business? ChatGPT can write your landing page copy. Sora can generate your product trailer video. Midjourney can make logos, thumbnails, and product mockups. Before, you'd need $10,000 plus to get that all done. Now, you just need a laptop and Wi-Fi. Small blue diamond 2. Creator-led economy. A single YouTube video, tweet thread, or TikTok can change your life. People are building 6- and 7-figure businesses from Notion templates, online courses, newsletters, Gumroad products, AI tools. It's never been easier to monetize your knowledge or skills. Small blue diamond 3. Global market access. You're not limited to your country or your job market. That if you live in Pakistan, India, Brazil, or anywhere else, you can earn in USD and sell to the US or European markets instantly. The internet has erased geography. Small blue diamond 4. Wealth transfer. The baby boomer generation is retiring. Trillions in wealth will be passed down or restructured. That means massive economic reshuffling and new gaps in value creation. Perfect for a smart, ambitious person who moves fast. Point 1.2 break the middle-class mentality. Let's get real. The biggest thing holding people back from becoming wealthy isn't a lack of opportunity, it's a bad script playing in their head. Go to school, get a job, save 10%, retire at 65. That might have worked in 1980. Not in 2025. That you need to uninstall the middle-class mindset and replace it with the wealth mindset. That let's look at some of the biggest mental shifts required. Brain. Scarcity versus abundance. Scarcity mindset. There's never enough money. I need to play it safe. I can't afford to fail. Abundance mindset. Money is everywhere if I can solve a problem. Failure is feedback. Wealth is earned by solving valuable problems. Brain. Income ceiling versus income. Leverage. Middle class thinking. How much will they pay me per hour? Wealth thinking. How can I make money while I sleep? You must switch from linear income, trading time for money, to leveraged income, trading value for scale. But that's how you go from $5,000 per month to $50,000/month. Brain security versus freedom. Middle class. I want job security, a steady paycheck, and a pension. Millionaire. I want time freedom, location freedom, and decision freedom. Security is an illusion. In 2025, even high-paying jobs can be wiped out by a single AI model, algorithm shift, or layoff cycle. Point 1.3. How millionaires think differently. Here's what most people never understand. Wealth is a mindset before it's a bank account. You have to think like a millionaire before you become one. Let's break it down. Key millionaires think in terms of value, not effort. Poor people think, I worked 10 hours, I deserve $100. Millionaires think, I solved a $10,000 problem, I deserve $10,000. Time doesn't matter. Impact matters. Key millionaires seek leverage. There are 4 types of leverage. Code. Build software that works while you sleep. Media. Create content that spreads without you. Capital. Use money to make more money. People. Build teams. Delegate tasks. Create systems. If you don't use at least one of these, you'll always be capped. Key millionaires ask better questions. Bad question. How can I make more money? Better question. What valuable problem can I solve that people will pay for? Elite question. How can I solve it once, then sell it 1,000 times? 1.4. You must shift identity. From consumer to creator. Let's be blunt. You are either consuming or creating. Most people spend 4 to 6 hours a day scrolling to there, watching someone else's story. You need to start creating your own. Here's how to shift. Hammer and wrench. Start with documenting. Not performing. You don't need to fake it. Just document your learning process. Examples. Learning how to build a newsletter. Here's my plan. Trying to make $1,000 with ChatGPT this month. Follow along. First YouTube video. Broke student learning to freelance. This builds credibility, audience, and eventually income. Brick focus on building digital assets, start creating things that live online and grow while you sleep. Assets like ebooks, templates, YouTube videos, mini courses, landing pages, email lists. Each piece is a soldier that works for you 24/7. Brain trained daily. The wealth routine. Here's a simple millionaire mindset habit stack. Morning journaling. What am I building? Why? 10-minute wealth reading. A book, newsletter, or tweet thread. Idea dump. Write 5 money-making ideas daily. Evening review. What did I do to get closer to $1M? Discipline. Motivation. Point 1.5. Destroy your excuses. They are lies. Everyone has excuses. Millionaires just don't listen to them. Here are the most common excuses and how to crush them. Crossmark. I don't have time. Hammer and wrench fix. Track your screen time. Cut social media by 50%. You just found 2 hours per day equals 60 hours/month. Crossmark. I don't have money to start. Hammer and wrench fix. You don't need capital to start learning, building, or selling. Use free tools. Offer services. Reinvent from cash flow. Crossmark. I don't know where to start. Hammer and wrench fix. Pick a skill. Learn it for 30 days. Offer it to 10 people. That's where everyone starts. Crossmark. I don't know how to sell. Hammer and wrench fix. Read 3 sales books. Send 50 DMs. Track responses. Selling is a skill, not a personality trait. Crossmark. I might fail. Hammer and wrench fix. Of course you will. So fail faster. Fail small. Fail smart. Iterate. Improve. Win. Asterisk. Chapter 2. Finding your $1,000,000 vehicle. 3. 500 words. 2.1. The harsh truth. Most people never get rich because they pick the wrong path. Becoming a millionaire isn't about working hard. It's about choosing the right vehicle. If you try to bike your way across the ocean, you'll drown. Even if you pedal like hell. Most people try to save their way to wealth, stick to low-leverage jobs, keep trading time for money. That's not a path to $1,000,000. That's a treadmill to burnout. Your wealth vehicle determines how far and how fast you go. Point 2.2. The 3 vehicles that actually work in 2025. Rocket 1. Skill monetization. This is your fastest path to your first $10K, $100K. Examples. Freelance design, copywriting, coding, video editing, ghostwriting for CEOs or influencers, AI consulting, or automation. You trade time, but at a premium. Eventually, you scale or productize. Best for beginners who need cash flow and skill growth. Globe showing Europe, Africa too. Audience first. Content creation. You build trust at scale. Then you monetize with courses, affiliate offers, sponsorships, templates, email lists. Subscriptions. One creator with 10,000 true fans can earn $1,000,000 plus per year. Best for writers, talkers, video lovers. Laptop computer. 3. Productized business or SaaS. You build niche digital products, e.g., Notion kits, dashboards, SaaS tools solving micro pain points, AI-powered solutions for creators or businesses. These are harder to start, but offer insane leverage. Best for builders, hackers, operators. Point 2.3. How to choose the right vehicle for why. You ask, do I need fast cash or long-term wealth? Start with freelance or services. Do I enjoy creating content or solving problems silently? Creators thrive with audience first. Builders thrive with product/SaaS. Do I want to stay solo or build a team? Solo equals high profit, lower scale. Team equals lower margin, higher scale. Don't overthink. Choose one. Go deep for 6 months. Point 2.4. High income skills you can learn for free. No degree. No gatekeepers. Just hunger plus internet. Top high value 2025 skills. Skill monetization path. Copywriting, freelance agency, productized service, AI, automation. Zapier / make setups $1,000 per month. Retainers, video editing, shorts / YT reels, niche editing, brand prompt engineering. Sell optimized prompts, tools, templates, email marketing. $1K, $5K / month. Retainers or course launches, coding, no code / low code, Bubble, Webflow, Framer, SaaS. Pick one. Give it 90 days. Package it. Sell at. Point 2.5. Launch fast. Minimum viable offers. Don't build a full SaaS or spend 3 months making a perfect course. Instead, create an offer, pre-sell it, deliver it manually, collect testimonials, improve. Example. You learn Zapier plus ChatGPT. Create a $99 per month AI assistant setup for solopreneurs. Land 10 clients. You're at $1K/month. Launch feedback, refine scale. Chapter 3. Scaling from $10,000 $100,000 $1M asterisk 3.1 the first $10,000. Hustle mode at this stage. You're doing everything, you're validating ideas, you're closing deals manually. It's messy, but crucial. Do this. Sell before you build DM. 100 people with your offer work 1:1 to collect wins plus feedback. Example. Freelancer offers AI newsletter creation for $500 per month. 5 clients equals $2, 500/month. 3.2 from hustle to systems. Once you hit $10,000 per month, you must systemize or you'll burn out. Create standard offers with fixed scope/pricing, client onboarding flows, Notion, Forms, weekly content marketing system tools that help. Calendly for calls, Notion for client work, Stripe for payments, Zapier for automation. If you can't write it down, you can't scale at 3.3 scale with leverage. Now you ask, how can I earn more without working more? Use leverage, code, launch a tool or template, media, YouTube video that drives traffic for years, capital. Reinvest earnings into ads or hiring people. Delegate editing, admin, or outreach. Offer stack strategy. Freebie, $27 toolkit. $497 course, $1,500 mentorship. Each layer adds value and multiplies income. 3.4. Build your growth engine. There are only 3 levers: traffic, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, X Threads, SEO, conversion, good offer, proof, urgency, retention, email list, product updates, long-term offers. If you can grow these 3, you can print money. Example. A 3-video YouTube funnel drives 20,000 views/month, 1,000 email subs, $5,000 per month in sales. 3.5 from creator to empire. Once you're at $100,000 to $300,000 per year, build a brand around your name or concept. Hire or automate 80% of operations. Think in terms of equity, assets, and exits. Ask, can this business run without me? Can this content be repurposed across 5 platforms? What will make me $1,000 per week with 0 input? Answer those, and you're ready for $1M. Close book. Chapter 4. Protect, multiply, and maintain wealth. 4.1 Avoid lifestyle creep. Making $10,000 per month feels great until you start spending $9.9K/month. Watch for subtle spending increases, reward purchases. After every win, competing with rich-looking people. Use this money rule. Never increase lifestyle faster than income. Example. Make $10,000 per month, spend $4,000 max, invest $3,000, reinvest $2,000, save $1K. 4.2 Build automatic wealth systems. Willpower setup. Auto transfers to investments. 3 to 6 months emergency fund, business bank account separation. Use tools. Enab or Monarch Money for budgeting, Wealthfront or Vanguard for investing, QuickBooks or Wave for taxes. 4.3 Smart investing in 2025. Where to park excess cash. Asset risk return. Use for index funds, low 7-10% retirement. Safe crypto, high variable moonshot. Play real estate, medium 10% plus cash flow. Equity or biz, high unlimited main engine. Avoid day trading, meme stocks, FOMO. Crypto plays, stick to dollar cost averaging and diversification. 4.4 Keep your wealth safe, protect it like a fortress. Use LLCs to limit liability. Get insurance, health, disability, business. Hire a CPA once you hit $100K plus/year. Don't play games with taxes. Be aggressive with deductions, but clean. Example. Laptop, subscriptions, home office, travel for biz equals deductible. 4.5 Grow through environment. Your network is your fastest growth hack. 3 Types of people you need. Peers, same level. Growing together. Mentors, 5 to 10 years ahead. Ments, people you help, helps you refine skills. Join paid masterminds, local business groups, online Twitter/X Circle, Slack, or Discord communities. Growth compounds with the right people around you. Checkered flag. Final thoughts and conclusion. Here's the honest truth. If you want to become a millionaire in 2025, you don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You just need to be the most committed, and no one's going to hand you wealth. But the internet has leveled the field. If you think like a millionaire, pick the right vehicle, execute with speed and obsession, systemize and scale, protect and grow what you earn, then $1 million isn't a dream. It's a result, and it's 100% possible.